Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to identify your skin type. This has been one of the major issues skincare newbies face when it comes to starting their skincare journey. But I'm here to break it down for you because now when you watch this video today, you are going to know what your skin type and how to choose the right product for your skin type. So let's go. Have you ever wondered why some product works for your friend and when you use that same product it doesn't work for you? Let me tell you why. It's because you guys have different skin types. Your friend might have an oily skin type while you have dry skin type. That is why I tell people that the major thing you should focus on is your skin type when it comes to choosing products and not your skin color, because skin color does not matter in the grand scheme of things. What majorly matters is your skin type, because if you use product that are for dry skin, for you that you have oily skin, it's not going to work as it should. Sometimes it might even cause irritation, which is why it is important to know what your skin type is. To start with, there are 5 major skin types. There is oily, there is dry, there is combination, there is normal skin, and there is also the sensitive skin. I believe that you can have dry skin and have sensitive skin. You can have normal sensitive skin. You can have combination skin and have sensitive skin. Major way I love to identify my skin type is by doing this method. So first off, I wash my face, as you can see in this video. So I have cleansed my face off camera and I'm currently waiting for 20 minutes to see what my skin type is. But I'm guessing my skin type is currently dry and dehydrated because I've been using a lot of actives. I've started my retinol journey and yeah, I've not been doing my skin any good recently because I've been doing my morning routine late and be using a lot of treatment. So let us see. We are going to wait for 20 minutes and see. So, but the point of this test is to help you determine your skin type. And then after that, I do not towel dry. I air dry my face. I let it dry. Leave it alone for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, like I'm trying to show you in this video, face is still like mine, that is still dry like this. After 20 minutes, like it's dry all over, then you have a dry skin. Then if you start to see oil around your nose and your T-zone, this is where your T-zone is, around your T-zone, and your cheeks remains dry or normal, then you have a combination skin. See, if all your face starts becoming oily, like very oily without applying anything, then you have an oily skin. After 20 minutes, if your skin remains the way it is, like no dryness, no tightness, you don't feel like anything is maybe itchy or your skin is feeling tight or anything, like you just can, your skin is just normal, then you have normal skin type. Step that I just showed you to identify your skin type would be easier if you have a blotting paper or a tissue. So what you are going to do is, after washing your face with a non-active cleanser, you are going to wait for about 20 minutes or an hour at most. Then you are going to take your blotting paper and then you type to areas like your T-zone. If you see a lot of oil on the blotting paper around your T-zone and maybe some parts in your cheeks too, you have oily skin. If you use the blotting paper around your face and you cannot see any oil and all you see is like some flakiness or roughness, then you have dry skin. But if you actually notice oil on your, after using the blotting paper around your T-zone, but some flakiness around your cheeks, so it's just normal, then you have combination skin. And then if your face start becoming red or itchy without applying anything and all of that, you might have like a sensitive skin. And if your face is just normal, no flakiness, and there's no oil on the blotting sheet, it's just there, you have a normal skin. How did you do? Did you find out your skin type? The second method we are going to try is the pinch method, and this method can be a little bit subjective because some people claim it's not that accurate. What you're going to do is like take 2 fingers and you're going to pull a part of your skin. Let me see. Pinch and hold for about few seconds. Let's see. If you pinch and hold for about few seconds, So if you release it, if your skin bounces back like immediately, you have normal to oily skin or normal or oily skin. But if it bounces back, let me see. I have a lot of oils on my face. But if it bounces back slowly, you might have like a dry and it feels rough. You might have like a dry or combination skin. But if the area feels irritated or sensitive, eh, or rough, you have a sensitive skin. I cannot determine it right now because I have a lot of product on my face. But you should try it. Try the method. So hold for a few seconds. If your skin bounces back immediately or slowly. So those are the two major ways that I can show you to identify your skin type. There are other methods too, which I am unable to do in this video. But from these two methods, you should be able to tell which type is your skin. And let me know in the comment section what your skin type is. So let me tell you that your skin type can change. So it's often advised that you carry out this method maybe yearly or so. Or when you just sense like a difference in your skin, because I used to have like an oily skin before, and now I have a combination skin. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.